Good morning students. Today we will study subject maths. Today we are going to study chapter number 7. Its name is fractions. Now we are on second part of this chapter. So open your textbook and notebook and solve the sum with me. Before I start exercise 7.2, first we understand some important points to remember. First point is improper fraction. What is the improper fraction? A fraction in which the numeration is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Its example 6 upon 5, 8 upon 9 and 7 upon 5. See here, numerator is greater. Numerator means upper wala number. It is 6 and 5. So numerator is greater than denominator. It called the improper fraction. Then what is the mixed fraction? So we understand mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a combinations of a whole and a part. It means whole number, एक whole पूरा number and part and other part. It called a mixed fraction. Just I give you example 1 integer 1 upon 2, 3 integer 2 by 3, 4 integer 5 by 6. How we find this type of number? I give you example 5 upon 4. Okay, so first numerator is 5 and denominator is 4. So we divide. Okay, 4 ones are 4. So we divide by 4, so we write in same place and our whole number is 1 and 1. So 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we write in such way. Then 11 upon 3. So we divide 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 2 remainder. So we divide by 3. So it's same place. Our whole number is 3 and 2. 3 3s are 9 and 2. So we write in mixed fraction 3 integer 2 upon 3. Okay. Now we start exercise 7.2 and its first sum. First sum is draw the number line and located the points on them. Here is points 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. So students, take your scale, pencil and eraser and draw the number line with me. So first we draw the one single line. Okay, then you mark here 0 because all numbers are positive. So positive number is the right side of 0. So we write the all numbers in right side of 0. So first we mark here 0. Okay. Then I write 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. It means 1. So you say how? 4 ones are 4. It means 1. So here is a 1. So all these points lies between 0 and 1. So first we mark here 0. Then we write 1 by 2. Then 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 upon 4. Here I give the name of all the points here A, B, C and D. Then I write here the point A, B, C, D represent 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Okay, in such way. Then we point here. Then you understand 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 it means 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It means 1 by 2. It means this number and this both are same number. So you will write here 2/4, अदर 1/2, दोनों आप लिख सकते हो. ओके, नाउ सेकंड नंबर लाइन. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8 and 5/8. So here all numbers are positive, so right side of 0. So you draw one single line, okay, in such way. Then mark 0. Then 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. Then 8/8, it means 1. Here is 1/8. So I write here A. 2/8, B, C. And here is 7/8 and here is D. So A, B, C and D represent the point 1/8, 2/8, 3/8 and 7/8. Okay, understand? Third one, it means C1, 2/5, 3/5, 8/5 and 4/5. So all the numbers are positive. So we will draw the number line and then mark 0, then write all the numbers in the right side of 0. So first I write here 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. 5/5 it means 1. 6/5, 7/5 and 8/5. So our first number is 2/5. So I write here K. You may write any alphabet of your, it's your choice to write any alphabet. Then 3/5 K M. Then here is 8/5. Okay, 8/5. It means I write here N. Then 4/5 I write here L. Okay, so K M N L are represent point 2/5, 3/5, 8/5 and 4/5. Here students, note one thing. Here is one number is 8/5. So here is, you convert 8/5 in mixed fraction, it means you will get one integer 3/5. So 8/5 lies between 1 and 2. वो किसके बीच का नंबर है? 1 and 2. See here in number line 5/5 it means 1. 1 after what number will come? It is naturally, it is 2. So its lie 8/5 lies between 1 and 2 on the number line. Okay. Now question number 2. Express the following as a mixed fraction. अभी भी मैंने point to remember में mixed fraction किस तरीके से convert करते हैं वो explain किया था. Okay, here is 20/3. So 20 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. 2 remember. 2 remainder. So we divide by 3. So it's placed same to same. Whole number we write here 6 and here 2. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. It is our mixed fraction. Then 11/5. 11 divided by 5. 5 2 is 10. 1 remainder. We write same way जिससे divide किया था उसको वहीं पे 5 and our whole numbers 2 and 1. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So we write mixed fractions 2 integer 1/5. That is our answer. And is C1, D1 28/5, E1 19/6 and 35/9. It's your homework. ये आपको अपने आप ही solve करने हैं. Okay. Now question number 3. Express the following as improper fraction. Here is a mixed fraction is given 7 integer 3/4. So how we will convert? First 4 into 7 plus 3 divided by 4. 4 7s are 28 plus 3/4. It means 31/4 is our answer. It means that is the improper fraction. Then here second one 5 integer 6 upon 7. Okay, so 5 into 7 plus 6 upon 7, 35 plus 6 upon 7 is equal to 41 upon 7. That is our answer. Then here 2 integer 5 by 6. 6 into 2 plus 5 upon 6. 6 2s are 12 plus 5 upon 6. It means 17 upon 6. That is our answer. So remaining here is A, B, C, D. Okay. Then E, F, G. All three sums. 10 integer 3 by 4. 9 integer 3 upon 7. 8 integer 4 upon 7. It's your homework. So you solve in yourself. Before I start exercise 7.3, first we understand some important points. A method of determining इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन किसे कहते हैं और किस तरीके से फाइंड करते हैं. इफ द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शंस आर इक्वल देन द टू फ्रैक्शंस आर इक्विवेलेंट. उसका जो क्रॉस में जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो तो उसे हम इक्विवेलेंट, जैसे 1/2 और दूसरा हम करें हियर आई राइट हियर 1/2 एंड 4/8. Cross multiplications. 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Means both answer cross में दोनों करने के बाद हमको जो आंसर सेम मिले, so it is the equivalent. So 1/2 and 4/8 are equivalent fraction. Okay, understand? Now simplest form of fraction. Simplest form हम किसे बोलते हैं? So fraction is said to be in the simplest form if its numerations and denominator have no common factor except 1. मतलब उसका डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमिरेटर के बीच में कॉमन फैक्टर कोई भी नहीं हो एक्सेप्ट 1. 1 के अलावा कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं हो. आई गिव यू एग्जांपल 3/4. सी ये कोई से डिवाइड नहीं होंगे. इनके बीच में हम टेबल लिखेंगे तो 3 1s एंड 4 1s और इसके कॉमन फैक्टर दोनों के बीच में ओनली 1. सो इट इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर. यस स्टूडेंट, एक्सरसाइज 7.3 and its first question, write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? It means here is the figures given 1 2 3 and 4 figures are given. First we write the fraction form of these figure. इन सब फिगर का हम फ्रैक्शन पॉइंट रखेंगे. Here is one circle divided by 2 equal part and shaded part is 1. So its fraction is total equal part 2, shaded part 1. So its fraction is 1/2. Here is a 1 2 3 4 equal part and shaded part 2. It's 2/4. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 equal part, shaded part 3. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 equal part and 1 2 3 and 4 shaded part, so it is 4/8. Okay, its value is 1/2 and here you 2/4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1/2. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, it means 1/2. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is equal to 1/2. So see here all fractions value is same, that is a 1/2. So we write here they are equivalent fraction. तो हम इधर क्या लिख देंगे? They are equivalent fraction. आई बात समझ में? अब now we solve the second one. See here it is first figure, shaded portion. First you see its shaded portion. सो फर्स्ट देखो कितना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 and colored shade 1 2 3 and 4 total equal part 12 and shaded 4 upon 12. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and here is 3 are shaded, and here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 2 are shaded. Here 3 and 1 is shaded. Okay, and last one, see here, last one here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 and shaded 3 4 5 and 6. It means 6 upon 15. Okay, so here 4 upon 12, so its value 4 1s and 3s 1 by 3. Here 3 1s and 2s, its value is 1 by 2. It is 2 1s and 3s 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3. Here 2s and 3s, its value is 2 by 3. So these four fractions are not equivalent. उसमें से आप देख सकते हो कौन सा इक्विवेलेंट नहीं है. That is a 6 upon 15. That answer is 2 by 3 and here is a 1 by 3. So these two figures fractions are not equivalent. And here 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, these figures equivalent, and here is 1 by 2 and here also 1 by 2. So here in these two fractions are equivalent fraction. Yes, question number 2, write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from the each row. Here is, you see 1 2 3 4 and 5. It means A B C D and E. Here is the, you see the 5 figures given, and here also figures given 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, अब इसका फ्रैक्शन कितना है 1 by 2. Okay, और इसका फ्रैक्शन 1 2 3 and 4 and total equal parts 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So it is a 4 upon 6. And here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and shaded portion 1 2 and 3. It means 3 by 9. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 shaded portion 2 2 by 9. Here is the 4 equal parts and 3 portion 2 and 3. Its fraction is 3 upon 4. Okay, अब हमें इसके साथ मैच करना है कौन सा, एक का कितना है 1 by 2. तो हमें इसमें से 1 by 2 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन फाइंड करना है. Okay, so here you see, here is how many its value. First we find the value. Here is how many parts, you see 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 part. Okay, 8 equal part is shaded portion 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 1s and 2s, you see second one A के साथ कौन सा हो जाएगा second one. तो इधर मैं लिख दूंगी कौन सा A के साथ कौन सा मैच है. That is a second equivalent है A के साथ second. B value 4 upon 6. It means 2s and 3s, its value is 2 by 3. तो 2 by 3 किसका है, हम ये फाइंड कर देंगे 2 by 3. So how many equal part, you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, and shaded portion 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, then 4 3s and 2s 2 upon 3. तो ये कौन किसका था, B का कितना था 2 by 3. तो इसका भी तो B के साथ कौन सा हो जाएगा, that is the fourth one. ठीक है। फिर C 3/9, 3 1 एंड 3 1/3, तो 1/3 किसकी है, हम इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड कर लें। इसमें टोटल 18, टोटल इक्वल पार्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 एंड 18। ओके, कितने इक्वल पार्ट है, 18। 18 में से शेडेड 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, 6 1 एंड 3 साइड्स, वैल्यू इज 1/3। तो इसके साथ कौन सा आ जाएगा, C के साथ, दैट इज द फर्स्ट वन। हो गया मैच। फिर उसके बाद नाउ वी आर ऑन 1/3 तक, C तक हो गया। देन D 1 2 3 4, इट मीन्स हियर 4 5 6 7 8 एंड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड 8। D में कितना है, इट्स D1 is 8/2/8, here is not 9 but here is 8, 2 1s and 4 sides, value is 1/4। तो फिफ्थ वन की देखो कितनी है वैल्यू, इक्वल पार्ट 1 2 3, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 एंड 16। ओके, फिफ्थ की कितनी है, 16, और उसमें से शेडेड 1 2 3 एंड 4, 4 1s एंड 4 16, 4 4s 16, सो इट्स वैल्यू इज 1/4। तो 1/4 किसकी थी, D की। D का क्या था, 2/8। सो हियर वी राइट D के साथ कौन सा आ जाएगा, दैट इज द फिफ्थ वन। देन E में हियर इज द 3/4 थी, तो अब कौन सा बचा, दैट इज द थर्ड वन। और थर्ड में देखो कितने हैं शेडेड पार्ट, टोटल इक्वल पार्ट 16 एंड शेडेड पार्ट्स आर 12। तो 2 का टेबल, 2 6 एंड 2 8 देन 2 3 एंड 4, इट्स वैल्यू इज 3/4। तो कौन से E की वैल्यू कितनी है, दैट इज द 3/4। तो उसके साथ मैच कौन सा हो जाएगा, दैट इज द थर्ड वन। ओके, तो इस तरीके से हम इस पूरे फ्रैक्शंस की पेयर हम ढूंढ लेंगे। ओके, जैसे इसका 1/2, दैट यू नो एवरीवन, ये बहुत इजी है लिखना, सिर्फ हमको सिंपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है। देन वी मैच द फिगर्स। एक्सरसाइज 7.3 and its third sum, replace bracket in each of the following by the correct number. First number is 2/7. Here is 8 is given, it means 2 4s are 8. So we multiply here by 4. So we will get answer here, we multiply by 4, 7, 4, 2 4s are 8. So 7 4s are 28. So here answer is 28. Here 5/8 and here is a answer, here is 10 is given in question. So 5 2s are 10, so 8 2s are 16, so here is 16. 5 into 2 and 8 into 2 is equal to 16, so here is 8/16. 3/5, here is 20 is given, so 5 4s are 20, so 3 4s are 12, so here is a 12. Here 45/60 is given, here is a 15, so here is a 15, so 15 3s are 45, so it is divided by 3, so 15, then we divide by 3, so you will get here 20, so 15/20, here 18/24, and here is a 4, so we divide by 6, 6 4s are 24, we divide by here 6, so 6 3s are 18, so here answer is 3/4. Okay, then here find the equivalent fractions of 3/5 having denominator 20. Here number is given, that is a 3/5. Here is a 3/5 and denominator मतलब नीचे वाला नंबर क्या आना चाहिए, 20. So 3/5, our number is 3/5. So how we will solve, 3/5. our denominator मतलब नीचे वाला नंबर, so किससे मल्टीप्लाई है, 4 5s are 20, so here is 12/20, that is our first one answer. Then numerator 9, numerator मतलब बड़ा वाला नंबर, our first number is 3/5, 5. इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो 3 से, so 3 3 जा 9, आ गया डिनोमिनेटर 9, and then upon 3 5 जा 15, so 9 upon 15, that is our answer. Then denominator 30, डिनोमिनेटर क्या आना चाहिए 30. Our number is 3 upon 5, डिनोमिनेटर मतलब नीचे वाला नंबर, so 6 5 जा 30, so 18 upon 30, that is our answer. Then 27, that is a numerator, मतलब ऊपर वाला नंबर. Our number is 3 by 9, किससे 3 by 5, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं 9 से, 3 9 जा 27 एंड 9 5 जा 45, हो गया. ठीक है, तो 27 आ गया न्यूमरेटर एंड 45, सो आंसर इज 27 अपॉन 45. Yes, question number 6. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. So students, you have to check given fractions are equivalent or not. I have explained you before how we find the equivalent fraction. Just a क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, हम क्रॉस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, हमको अगर इक्वल मिल जाता है तो दैट इज अ इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. फर्स्ट 9 into 3 27 and 0, it is a 270, and 54 into 5 also 270, so both fractions are equivalent. 3 upon 10 and 12 upon 15, 10 into 12 is equal to, here is a 120 and here is a 150. So these fractions are not equivalent. Okay, and here is that 7 upon 30 and 5 upon 11. So 11 7s are 77 and 13 5s are 65. These fractions are also not equivalent fractions. Only these fractions is equivalent. So you have to write the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction, it is not a equivalent fraction. Okay, this also it is not a equivalent fraction. In such way we find the equivalent fractions.